Learner's name: Carlos Alberto Barrera Martínez. ID number: 7219733. Program: Coordination of Logistic Processes. Tutor's name: Roger Manga Fontalvo. Activity name: GA1 240202501 AA1 EB02 dot video presentation. Hi everyone, today I want to talk about a very special person in my life, my wife. Full name: Gertrudis Pico Orozco. Age: 41 years old. Date of birth: August 9, 1984. Occupation: business administrator and commercial agent in a human talent company. Physical appearance: Gertrudis is a 1 meter 17 tall. She has fair skin and long blonde hair. Free time activities: she loves spending time with her family, listening to music, dancing, and watching TV series. She also enjoys traveling and visiting beautiful paradise-like places. Favorite color: your favorite color is blue. Big dream: she wishes to visit Europe one day. Passion: dancing is her greatest passion. Favorite actor: her favorite actor is The Rock, Dwayne Johnson.